Hey, hello guys, welcome back to the 11th HTML tutorial, and we are continue for a form. We have just learned how to create a text field and how to create a password field in the form, and today we are going to learn something extra elements of form. So instead of wasting time, just keep track. Okay, so let's start. So next attribute of form tag is a radio button, and we can define it as a input type radio, and name is equal to anything you want, and value is equal to mail. So what is the difference between name and value is that name is just a ID for a radio button, that is this is the first radio button, this is the second radio button. So name is a ID for a radio button. So whenever you include name for a first radio button and second radio button, same, that is I have included a name as a sax for a first radio button and included a name as a sax for second radio button also. So whenever you include a same name for a two radio button, it combines a radio group, so it will be a only a radio group will be assigned. So whenever you click any of them, so the one value gets selected. So radio button is useful when you want to select only one value from multiple values. Okay, so either it can be a male or female. So how to implement this, just watch. Go to your file, and I'm just including here as a br tag two times, so we get a space, and just write here as a select your gender, and I'm at the bottom I'm writing input type is equal to radio, and name as a sex, and value which we want to display at the place of radio button. I'm just quickly copy this and paste it over here, and just rename this as a female. Okay, so here we go, we have a two radio buttons, that is a male radio button and female radio button. Just quickly save the file, go to the file, save, and go to the browser and press F5. So here we have a select your gender and two values. So whenever you include this tag, I didn't have included a value as in the wrong map. Whenever you include a value, you can include either like this, or you can include like this. So include a male and female at the ending. So here we go, you have a male or a female. You can select either male or female. Okay, so either one of them can be selected when it is a radio button. So this is it, this is useful of radio button. So whenever you are working with the radio button, do not forget to give a same name to a same radio group, that is male female you want to include in a same group, so name should be same. Okay, next element is that checkbox we want to learn. That the checkbox is useful for a multiple selection. When you want to select something like select hobbies, that hobbies can contain playing, reading, and at the time you can love all this thing, that is playing you can be a hobby for you, and reading can be hobby for you, so that contain a multiple elements. One thing I forgot to mention is that the checked attribute of radio button. I don't know that it will work. I didn't try this out. So just go to the file and try this out. That is just right here as check, and just save the file, go to the browser and press F5. So whenever you are working with, I'm just removing this, press save this file, go to the browser and press F5. I do not do any R&D with this, so um, I will mess up this after some time. Okay, I will tell you how it happened, how to check one of the thing after anything. So okay, so this is a checkbox. The same syntax is that input type checkbox we want to include, and name can be anything, but it should be a same for multiple checkbox if you want to include a checkbox group. So this is a one group of checkbox, and checkbox has an hobby value, same name. Okay, and value can be anything that is playing ready. So just quickly go to the file, and I'm including here as input type, sorry, input type checkbox, name it as a hobby, and value can be anything whatever you want, that is I'm using playing, and I'm just going to copy this out and paste it one time. Okay, just keep this in mind that name should be same for uh, one checkbox group. Okay, so just use reading, and I'm just going to include here as enter, sorry, select your hobbies. So we could now we have two values. I'm just include here as play and here as ready. So save the file, go to the browser and press F5. So here we have a two checkbox. We can check both of them. It is not like that radio button which gives you a single selection. Checkbox gives you a multiple selection. Okay, the one thing is that whenever you work with the checkboxes, if you are using, you want to playing to be default selected, then you can use attributes some as checked. I just checked the spelling, that is checked. Okay, so check, just use check and save the file, go to the browser, and where you press F5, it will work whenever you are working within the browser which is compatible with it. So it is not now showing, so I will skip this and I will teach you in the next tutorial. Okay, so this is the use of checkboxes, and um, we get a lots of time in that. I'm going to skip this tutorial for now, and in the next tutorial also we are going to work with the form. And thank you for watching, guys. Do not forget to watch my next tutorial for extra elements. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.